In this video, I'll show you how to search Google Photos by date. So you simply come to the bottom menu and press on the search bar, and then you type in the date that you would like to see the photos of. So for example, if I wanted to see photos from the 25th of May, I would simply type in the month and then the date followed by the year, and you simply press enter, and it will give you all the photos from that date. So if you wanted to find photos within a certain date range, for example, if I select May 12th followed by the year, and then you write 2. So if I wanted to see photos from May 12th to May 19th 2025, you would simply search that, and it would show you all the photos and videos within that time range. So that's how to search photos in Google Photos by date. Thank you for watching.